visions. I don't have many visions for cars, to be honest. I have a mission. I think it's very important to understand that we need to digitalize the electricity system and to make everything smart. And energy storage with rolling batteries, spinning reserves, so to say, will definitely change the way we produce electricity. We don't need to burn coal or natural gas in the future. We can use solar energy, we can use all other renewables like hydro, wind, etc. And we will be able to store the energy and use it when we need it. And I think cars will be a part of a home package. We call it smart living.
Well, it's important to see how the different players or actors fit together. This ecosystem that INVADE tries to build up. Who should be the players? Who's the stakeholders in this? What I envision can be a difficulty in the future is that it will still be very fragmented. So I would love to see these players come together in sort of one solution across the countries.
So now we had just group works with internal discussions in small groups. So we see how engaged people actually are. And to be honest, I have been on many other workshops, but this one is really very efficient, and see how interested people are on the flexibility market topic.
Now we are about 14 months into the project, and this is input into the further research, of course. So it's hard to say, what really changes there will be to the project, but at least it will contribute a lot to the topics that we will have, particularly in the pilots, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and then we are going to create exploitation user group, or we already have it. We are going to increase it, so we will definitely include more stakeholders from who are attending today's workshop into that group, and then we will be harvesting inputs from them on different parts of the project.
Yeah, so all the actors need to kind of come together, and we see ourselves as part of that stakeholder ecosystem. That means that actually it makes everyone else's lives easier. So if you have a marketplace where the different players can come together and provide some kind of consistency, it is something that's happening now, and that DSOs are asking for flexibility, are procuring flexibility, and that through a platform like ours it will be possible to procure at very local levels with small amounts of capacity.
We see a lot of stakeholders involved in the talk and in the presentations, and I would say many people already mentioned the flexibility, the value of that, and I think at least for my takeaway is we are working towards a good direction. We see the values of flexibility, and we are trying to create the real commercial activities.
That actually everything that we talk about regarding flexibility and renewable energy is nice, but finally electric vehicles are the way to deal with it. All kinds of other things that we do and that we look at are nice, but vehicles and in the future also some storage, that's where, in our opinion, also the focus should be on, because that will make the real difference, and that will give you the possibilities to deal with the flexibility that is needed. So that is the main message, and that's also what we do in the pilots.
Well, my main message now is that we are working with the smart cities as a concept, as a process for the future of the cities, but also that we are looking into several ways on how we can use the new energy structures, how we can use batteries, how this sort of fits together with EVs, solar, etc.